Hello, here's a video of this Okuma Captain L470M, so you can get an idea what the spindle sounds like and see all the action of everything. Everything's functional and everything sounds good. It's a very good working machine. It's a good workhorse. It's done very well for us. So right now we'll do the spindle. This is going to be 500 RPM. And then I'll step it up to 1,000, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Nice and quiet. So we can travel there's Z, there's X, there's Z again, there's X. This is the VDI tooling, and this is also live tooling as well. You can actually go and start the live tooling. Try to see if you can see in there. There's a live tooling drive dogs. I'm about to start it. Here we go. It's engaged and going. Reset all that. I'm 109. Obviously see the tool changers. Spins around nice. Everything operates good. Comes with all the tool holders. All right, thank you.